Waiting for AI responses is killing your app's user experience. Here's how to fix it. Streaming is crucial for enhancing the responsiveness of applications built on LLMs. By displaying output progressively, even before a complete response is ready. These are the possible LangChain streaming and their modes. Let's discuss them step by step in practical way. To stream agent progress, use the stream methods with stream mode as updates. This emits an event after every agent tool request, tool response and final AI message. This is the sample code. If you can't follow the code, please refer to my previous LangChain playlist videos. Here I'm loading all the environment variable, then connecting to the MCP client using remote MCP server. Then I'm loading the list of all available tools from the remote MCP client. Now you can see the 3 available tools. Then we are creating LangChain agent with the model, tools, in-memory saver and system prompts. We will discuss about the in-memory save as we proceed along with this code. Previously, we have seen agent with invoke method, which will return full conversation after the execution. But you see this final output LLM response takes time, and there is a long network latency. To avoid this, we are going to use a stream method with agent and retrieve individual chunks. That is, you will get response at each stage, AI tool request, tool response and final AI response. Here I mentioned stream mode as updates and we will get the agent execution at each step. Now when I invoke this method, I get each agent step like, initially get tool call, then after some time tool response. Then finally I got the AI response, like for the total revenue for the store. Here you could see there is no delay in getting the overall output. To stream tokens as they are produced by the LLM, use stream mode as messages. Here you see, in this code we have stream mode as messages. When I invoke this code, here you see each response from LLM is streamed as individual tokens. There is no network latency. Here you get the response immediately without any delay. Here the model tool call request, then after some time, we get the tool response. Then the final output from the LLM is streaming of individual tokens and we need to store or display as we get. To stream updates from tools as they are executed, you can use getStreamWriter. In custom stream mode, you define when to stream content. In tools you can stream content and omit them as you need. Here you invoked agent with stream mode as custom. Now let's go into this file, where I have omitted custom stream. Here I have initialized getStreamWriter, then write stream whenever required, like before API and after API. Now let's execute this code. You could see the final agent response custom stream emitted, like looking for the products, then acquired products. You can specify multiple streaming modes by passing stream mode as a list. This code is for multiple stream mode. Here I have updated stream mode list as array and given as custom and updates. Let's execute this code and wait for the response. Here you see we got the mix of the custom and update stream mode as response. Now let's see about short-term memory. How does it benefit in conversation? Here in this code I have not added any in-memory script. Let's wait for the code to execute. Now I ask query, my name is Srinivasan, and what is the total revenue of my store? So the response is indicated by user's name Srinivasan, then the response for the query which I have asked. Now let's ask another query and check whether agent could remember the name of the user. Here I have asked what is my name and the query of the total ordered products. Now let's scroll to see the output. Here you could see agent can't remember the username and ask again the name of the user. Now let's change the code a little bit to include memory with the agent and follow the same process. Now let's scroll to see the output. We got the response like same as before for the first step. Now for the second step, I have asked for query again, what is my name? What is the total ordered products of my store? When you scroll to output, you could see the name of the user could be remembered by L.L.M, and we got the output Hi Srinivasan, based on the current orders data and total revenue of the store. This is the power of memory in the conversation with L.L.M. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have liked.